Meat production is hard on the planet. The good news is, changing your diet can make a difference, and you don't have to cut out all meat. Try cutting back on the most resource-intensive meat from the animals that take the most land to grow and feed: cows. If people in the US cut back their beef consumption by about half, it would help make it possible to feed 10 billion people by 2050 without any further deforestation. So how can you cut back on meat? Public health nutritionist and author Tracye McQuirter shares a few tips. Make what you're already making, but swap in plant-based proteins for meat. Having stir fry? Try adding almonds, cashews, tofu, mushrooms, or edamame. Save money by buying beans and nuts in bulk and shopping for frozen vegetables. They're just as nutritious. And don't forget spices. Keep seasonings for your favorite cuisines on hand to add flavor to any dish. Pile your plate high with plant-based foods of different colors, and don't just focus on the day. Focus on eating a variety of foods throughout the week.